Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Golf Olive are set to release on October 13th, and here's how we are going to cop for retail. Starting off with the least favorite, the TravisScott.com website. That's right, they will be doing a raffle once again for this sneaker. Now, when will this happen? Be expecting either October 11th or October 12th for this raffle to go live on his website. We always know it's a day or two before the sneakers release, and we know in the last pair of Travis Scott, it happened the day before. We had a raffle that went live late at nighttime. I'll go ahead and throw up a screenshot right now so you know. It went live at 9:19. I know that's a crazy number, 9:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at nighttime, and the raffle went all the way on until midnight. So just know once you enter that raffle, it could take a long time afterwards. Now, how do you know if you won on the Travis Scott website? Well, there's going to be a form that you sign up for. When this goes live, last time I said it was provided by Cloudflare, all that means is they were actually checking entries. So they say so they were checking entries. It didn't seem that strict. I know people entered a lot. This is what I recommend for you doing. I want you to get your mom, your dad, your aunt, your uncle, your cat, your dog, everybody. I'm not even kidding you, to enter this raffle for you. The more chances, the better, but this is the thing. Your info needs to be unique. So your cell phones can't be the same on all these entries. Your addresses can't be the same on all these entries. That's why you want multiple family members. What this allows you to do is it will get you more addresses and more phone numbers. The easiest thing to filter by will be your phone number, of course, because it's a unique number. Don't be using the same numbers over and over again. That's what I'm trying to get at. Once you enter all your information, only enter one entry per cell phone number. You can adjust your household addresses. If you're confused at all on how to adjust your house numbers or how to get multiple entries to one single address, Kick's got you covered. There's going to be some links down below. We'll teach you through that, and we're going to walk you through everything you need to know on that. Now, once you've entered this raffle, they will send you an email and a text message that you've won. What happens in this email and text message is they will send you a checkout link. This checkout link is usually only good for 30 minutes, so you must be watching your email. If you enter the raffle, be watching. When that email comes through that you won, you only have that little bit of time period to check out. They will look like this. I have them up on the screen. I hit a PS Travis Scott. That's the only thing I've ever hit. Of course, I checked it out because it was my first hit ever. Now, the stock isn't unlimited on these checkout links. The sooner the better. I've seen people have them sell out on them even when they have a checkout link. So if you do get one of these checkout links because you won the raffle, check out immediately. As fast as you see it, check it out so you don't miss out on your chance to cop these for retail, because let me tell you something, they are looking insanely limited. Along with that, we know back on the reverse mochas, we had that huge news article. They had over 2 million entries on the Travis Scott website. Don't expect to be any different for this one, because I'm telling you, this shoe is in demand, and all the rumors going around that they're going to be super limited, everybody wants to go for a pair. Now, if you do hit on the Travis Scott website, the retail on these is $170. There will be a $22 shipping charge, so you're looking at about like almost $200 to get this to your door for retail. So make sure you have enough money on your card. And what I recommend you guys, if you're entering this raffle, let your banks know you're going to be buying on this website. The last thing you want to happen is your bank declining a drop like this, because it happens all the time. It's very sad to see, but if you don't let your bank know, they may say it's a fraudulent activity because it's coming from TravisScottWebsite.com at a random time. Just know that. I know that sounds silly, but it's happened to a lot of people where their orders get declined because their bank said, no, you're not getting this one. This does not seem right. So let your banks know. If you're confused at all on how this TravisScott.com website works, don't worry. Kick will be having a full voice chat for this drop to make sure you guys are prepared. That's right. What does this mean? We will give you one-on-one support no matter what. However many questions you have, we'll answer every single one of them. So if you want to join, there will be links down below. Now, moving on to sneakers. This will happen on October 13th. How do we know? It's already loaded on the back end. We've seen some stock numbers loaded on these, and let me tell you something, these can change, but right now there's under 10,000 pairs loaded on sneakers, and that's going to make them incredibly difficult to actually hit on sneakers. They'll drop at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for, like I said, $170 retail. What I recommend on sneakers, enter multiple accounts. Once again, get your mom to enter, get your dad to enter, get yourself to enter, get your grandma. As long as you have a bunch of unique addresses for sneakers, you should be all right. Don't use the same credit cards, don't use the same phone numbers, and you should be fine on sneakers. I'll enter just to see if I can get lucky and actually grab a pair, because why not? It's sneakers, man. You might as well enter up on sneakers. It doesn't hurt to do so. Now, moving on to our last option here. I don't know how many of these will actually happen because this is a golf shoe. This is not our normal Jordan 1 Travis Scott where we're going to get raffles everywhere. Places that I'd be watching, as I typically watch, and thankfully for me, how I hit my all of Travis Scott's, I entered on Undefeated. I entered those boutique website raffles. That's right. I know they're tedious. I get it, man. I know they are tough to hit on, but I always enter. Undefeated came through. Kith has has Raffles, End has Raffles. The list goes on. All those raffle links, once again, we'll be posting in Kick. We'll have a full list for you guys just in case they do start to populate. Like I said, I don't know if all your places are going to get them because it is a golf shoe. I want to put in this video so you don't miss out. I would hate for you guys to miss some of these raffles because, like I said, that's the only way I hit my olive. And on the long stretch of this all, I doubt this happens. Check your local boutiques for shoes like this. For example, for me, it'd be Corporate Got 'em downtown. We've seen them get a lot of hype releases before. They have received Travis Scott's in the past, and I've always entered raffles for them. I'm not saying they will on this one, but you need to check your local boutiques that have Nike contracts to increase your chances. That's right. Locals will have a better chance because it won't be worldwide raffles. There's going to be so many people entering for this. Just be ready. It's not going to be easy, but let me tell you something. You're going to want to enter all these raffles because it's not going to be impossible. I promise you that much. And now, the Jumpman Foot Locker store out in Los Angeles, California. Will they have this Travis Scott? Because we know they've got the previous versions. I doubt the store on 620 South Broadway Street will actually get the golf shoes, simply just because it's a golf shoe. I don't expect them to get it. If you watch the Foot Locker app raffle, you guys can enter this no matter where you're at. All you have to do is scroll down on the screen. You can change your zip code and you can enter this raffle. Do I think it's going to happen? I doubt it. Just be watching because I would hate for you guys to miss out because this is another opportunity you have to grab this sneaker. Now, to answer the question, yes, you can wear the Jordan 1 Golf as a normal Jordan 1. There's no plastic spikes on this shoe, so you can wear it like your normal Jordan 1s. You can barely feel the difference on that golf outer sole, even though it is a little bit more spiky than your normal Jordan 1s. Now, how will these do on the aftermarket? Right now, they're going for like $1,500 in some sizes. If they're going to stay limited, I feel like this shoe will stay up in value. Now, if we see more websites load them up than we expect, be expecting that value to go down. I personally don't think this is the best looking Jordan 1 Travis Scott, and honestly, it's a golf shoe. That may keep people away from them simply because it's like, I don't know if I can wear them. A lot of people don't know if you can wear them normally. Thankfully, I told you guys you can, but just know if people think it's a golf shoe, they can't wear them normally, they might not have the incentive to pay that crazy price tag, and that price will come down on these. Do I expect them to stay in the $1,000 range? No, I expect them to be close to what Travis Scott Phantoms were not long ago. Around that $600, $700 range is what I expect, and they may go even lower right after drop. Only time will tell, and we'll see how this sneaker plays out. I know some of you guys are wondering, man, I haven't seen anything talked about on sneakers about this. No, they haven't started marketing it yet. Travis Scott hasn't either. You know, every time Travis drops a shoe, he's posting on Instagram, showing it off, getting the hype build up. I expect that to start happening here soon. Just be checking his Instagram, be watching sneakers announcements. Of course, I'll be live covering all of this as well, and be watching his Discord server. If you do want his Discord server, let me know down in the comments, and I'll send you guys an invite to make sure you guys know everything about this drop. Overall, this Travis Scott Jordan 1 Golf drop is going to be crazy. I hope this video did help you guys. I'm going to answer all your questions down below, and if you made it this long, you know what's going down. One random like, one random comment does get a $15 cash app from me. I want to get back to the community. I love you all for real for always showing love on my videos. It means so much. It really does. You don't understand how much it means to me, so thank you guys. I'm giving back. Good luck. Like I said, like it up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and make sure post notifications are on, and good luck on getting a $15 cash app from me. But that's it today, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace!